So hello everyone, myself Advocate Gautam Arswal, Associate with Dialyzy. Welcome to Dialyzy. Today in this video, I'm going to discuss with you what is the amendment of pleadings under Order 6, Rule 17 in detail. Let's start the discussion. The courts decides a case on the basis of its merits, either that on the basis of facts, proofs, and evidence. Suppose the merits of the case are not completely mentioned in the pleading of a certain case, then the decision made by the court cannot be considered complete justice, as the merits were not completely mentioned. It may also happen that the merits that were mentioned held an important aspect regarding the case. Keeping this in mind, the courts are empowered to grant permission to amend the pleadings. Hence, the concept of amending pleadings steps in. Order 6, Rule 17 of CPC grants permission to the parties to the case to amend their pleadings at any stage of the proceedings. The proviso under this rule says that after the trial has commenced, an application for amendment shall not be allowed. However, it might be allowed if the court thinks that in spite of a due diligence, it was not possible for the party to raise the matter before the trial commenced. This statement can be explained using an example. We're going to understand this through an example. So, if suppose a person by the name A files a lawsuit against B, the suit was filed in a hurry because it had some limitations. So after filing the suit, A realizes that there are some important facts, proofs, and or documents that he could have added to his pleading earlier, but could not do so as they were not in his knowledge at that time. In this case, the court might give A permission to amend his pleading. It is the discretionary power of the court to grant permission or not. Such application is not governed by the law of limitation. That means there is no limitation available against these provisions, and an application to amend the pleading can be granted at any stage of proceedings. See you on the next video with some more information.